There's an empty chair today, but somehow the room still feels full. Before he left us, he wanted to share something. A secret, not just for us to know, but for us to live by. He said, take what I've given you, these core values, and create your own legacy. Plant them deep, let them grow. Because that's what love does. It doesn't end, it multiplies. You want to know what made him different? What made us love him so deeply? He never once said, I did this. He always said, we. He didn't do this alone. He took everyone in this journey. Every single person mattered. The trustees who believed when belief was all they had. The teachers who poured their hearts into children they loved as their own. The donors who gave not just money but faith. So many others who said, we trust you. And he was grateful. So deeply grateful for that trust, for that love. Because he knew none of us walk alone, we carry each other. What was he like, really like? He forgave. He respected everyone, not just the powerful, everyone. He was humble. So humble, and he had no agenda, no revenge in his heart, no hidden motives. He had integrity that never wavered, courage that never faltered, transparency that never hid. He felt your pain, not as a concept, but truly felt it, carried it with you. But he wasn't just kind, he was fierce. He lived for community, he died for community. He inspired us, encouraged us when we wanted to quit. He hired the best talent at the best price because he believed everyone deserved the best. He was visionary, seeing futures we couldn't imagine. He was missionary, dedicating every breath to this calling. He was a problem solver who never said impossible. Courageous, unstoppable, unbreakable. He went to places where hope had died, where girls were considered a black spot, where daughters were seen as burdens, where darkness had convinced people they didn't matter, and he said, you matter, you are worthy, you are loved. He gave them hope, real hope, the kind that changes everything. He showed them they could live respectfully, beautifully, powerfully, whatever conditions life threw at them. He didn't just talk about change. He became a living example of how to create a legacy, how to create a story that never ends. If he were here right now, if he could gather us all together one more time, he would say just 2 words, thank you. The Allah who created him, the mom and dad who gave birth to him, the wife and children who supported him, the family who stood by him, the donors who stood by him, the trustees who stood by him, the primary teachers who shaped the youngest hearts, the high school teachers who guided teenagers through their storms, the college professors who prepared them for the world, the BET Sadathunisa Degree College family, and so many, many more. Thank you for believing. Thank you for trusting. Thank you for walking beside me. Thank you for making this dream real. Thank you for being my family. There's a saying, a person is made from 2 things. Your attitude decides your altitude. A person goes, but his character, his attitude, his love, that stays with us forever. When we think of Saif sir, we remember selflessness, a teacher staying late to help a struggling student, integrity, a student refusing to cheat even when it's easy, understanding others' pain, a friend comforting another in tears, respect for everyone, students greeting every staff member with love, loyalty, the community showing up again and again, and forgiveness, always forgiveness, taking everyone together. Last but not the least, he built something that cannot fall because he didn't build it with bricks, he built it with love. This is BET, our number one priority for 40 years, for forever. The BET community was engaged, is engaged, will always be engaged, because this is how the world starts, with one person who dares to love, who dares to believe, who dares to give everything. Saif sir, a legacy that lives forever in every heart he touched. Rest peacefully, sir. We'll carry your light forward. We promise.
You think about Saif sir, what comes to your mind?
Muhammad Saifullah sir was a man of perfection who always believed that anything related to the institution should always reflect its best.
Micro planning and execution to the micro level.
Honesty. His generosity inspired many. He selflessly dedicated his life for us.
He was humble. He preferred to take a back seat despite of doing everything.
Our sir was truly special by not only his leadership but his humility and humanity.
His slogan, Beta Padhao Beti Bachao.
He was courageous, dedicated, punctual and disciplined servant of the Muslim Ummah.
A teacher like him is rare, someone who nurtured minds and touched our hearts. Thank you.
He always says कि खुलूस के साथ काम करना.
He is an action taker.
I was already an orphan, but now he made me an orphan again.
Thank you, Saif sir, for supporting countless students.
Thank you, Saif sir, for empowering many orphan girls.
Thank you, Saif sir, for your support and guidance.